Speaking with journalists, the court bailiff, Mr. Abraham Ifijeh, in company of one cries, EDHA, from Barrister Dele Igbenedios' chambers, said they were in the office of the clerk and speaker of Edo State House of Assembly to serve a notice of disobedience of court order to the speaker over the continued delay to swear in Ifijeh Peter Siraga of the People's Democratic Party, who was declared winner of Isako West Constituency 2 seats. The court bailiff and Mr. EDHA said that to their surprise, the clerk of the House refused to accept the notice, adding that the clerk, through his secretary, said that the Speaker had ordered that no member of staff of the House should accept any document from the Court of Appeal. The bailiff said the development prompted them to proceed to the office of the Speaker, where they met the Secretary to the Speaker, who also confirmed that the Speaker directed them not to accept such documents from the Court of Appeal, Benin, that has to do with the member-elect Ifijeh Peter Siraga. They said they were shocked when some young men, numbering 8, pounced on them and manhandled them.
Court of Appeal gave me a process to go and serve Clerk of the House and Speaker of the House. Getting there, the first office I enter is the office of the clerk. I met the secretary. I'm trying to introduce myself to the secretary. The secretary now collect the process from me. As soon as I see the headline, the headline of the document, he said before I know what is happening, I should walk out of that. The clerk said they should not receive any process from Court of Appeal. And I left. And I moved to the Honorable Speaker. The same thing repeated. He said that the Speaker said nobody should collect any process from Court of Appeal. That anybody who came to come from Court of Appeal to come and serve document, it should be dealt with. And automatically you can see my body. And they dealt with me.
The office of the clerk is adjacent to that of the Speaker. The next thing, the office of the clerk just opened. Able-bodied men, more than 7, 8 in number, they just poured into, including the secretary of the clerk, they poured into the office of the Speaker and gave the bailiff a very heavy, dirty slap at the back of his head. I was shocked. I said, why are you beating him? Why are you beating him? I tried to rescue, tried to hold him. The next thing, gave me a slap. As I'm talking now, my ear is still paining me. I cannot hear properly. So I told them, look, what is your business? This thing is not your business. This is a matter for the judiciary. It's not your business. I just say, oh God, why are you talking like this? The man slapped me again. They entered the bailiff and continued to beat him until the bailiff collapsed.
Contacted to ascertain the claim of the bailiff, the HOD litigation of the Court of Appeal Benin, Francisca Emito, who spoke off camera, confirmed the incident, describing it as infringement on the fundamental human rights, which she noted that the judiciary will not tolerate. On their part, the member-elect for Isako West Constituency 2, Ifijeh Peter Siraga, and the State Publicity Secretary of the People's Democratic Party, Ifijeh, said they will not relent until the right thing is done.
People who want to eat from the coconut should not allow their head to be used to break it. Because if you allow your head to be used to break a coconut you want to share from, you may no longer eat it. That is my advice for the Speaker himself, Mr. Victor Edoro. And for the rest of them, who are other members of the House, I want to thank them for their uprightness, because I'm aware they have called the Speaker and have told him, please do the needful. You cannot continue to refuse swearing in of this man, and they have still refused to do the needful.
The Speaker has blatantly refused, in contempt of court, refused to swear in a member of the House of Assembly who was elected the same day he was elected. It's unfortunate that Edo State has deteriorated to a situation whereby elected officials of state, officials of government, now take it upon themselves to unleash thugs on other government agencies in order to avoid service.
With Form 48, also known as the consequence of disobedience of court order served on the Speaker of Edo State House of Assembly through the publication of the order in national dailies, investigation showed that Form 49 will now be served on the Speaker, which could result in contempt of court should the leadership of the House of Assembly fail to swear in the member-elect for Isako West Constituency 2, Ifijeh Peter Siraga. Best Mbiere reporting.